Hello, in front of me I've got WG Airflex 5 earbuds. In this video I'll show you how to check battery level of the earbuds. Firstly, you can check battery level of the charging case. If it's green, it means that the battery level of the charging case is around 70 to 100%. If the LED light is blinking white, it means that it's between 30 and 70%, and if it's blinking red, it means that battery level is lower than 30%. If you want to check battery level of the earbuds, make sure that they are connected to any smartphone and go to Bluetooth settings. Here you can check the battery level. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.